Mary Kom says, never let your mother regret being a mother. Be a reason for her to smile. Born on 24th November 1982, Mangte Changnijang Mary Kom is a boxer known to set numerous records for herself as well as her nation. She is also a nominated member of Rajya Sabha. The journey of this magnificent mother Mary Kom is the one that starts with paucity and attains prosperity through her never say die attitude towards life and its challenges. Mary was born in Kangathiai village in rural Manipur, a northeastern state of India. Mary was a multitasker right from her childhood. She would help her parents in the farm-related chores. She would attend her school and also squeeze time for her multiple passions, athletics, javelin, and 400 meters running. Over a period of time, Mary developed an affinity towards learning boxing as well. During that time, Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipuri, had returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. This drew Mary towards trying her hands on boxing more firmly, even at the cost of her school education. She quit her school after the class 10th and devoted herself to learning boxing under her first coach, K. Kosana Mieti, in Imphal. Later, she trained herself under the tutelage of M. Marjeet Singh, a Manipur state boxing coach. Throughout these tough coaching days, she had to hide her inclination towards boxing from her father, who himself was a wrestler back in time. He dreaded that boxing might hurt her face and affect her chances of getting married. Much later, in 2000, only after getting to know from the newspapers about Mary's victory in the state boxing championship, he was convinced of Mary's great future in boxing. Time passed by, Mary got married to Karung Onlar and decided to take a break from boxing and enjoy the marital bliss that God had endowed upon the couple. Later, after giving birth to their first two children, Mary resumed her boxing again. Her husband Karung has been her greatest support during these times. While father was taking care of the kids, Mother Mary was pushing the boundaries by winning multiple championships and getting recognized by the highest of the awards, such as the coveted Arjun Award in 2003, the Padma Shri in 2006, and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in 2009. There was much to follow for our magnificent mom, Mary Kom, in the years to come. She won a silver medal at the 2008 Asian Women's Boxing Championship in India and a gold medal for the fourth successive time at the 2008 AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in China. This was followed by winning a gold medal again at the 2009 Asian Indoor Games in Vietnam. This was followed by the Padma Vibhushan, India's highest civilian award, in the year 2013. On October 1st, 2014, she created history by winning a gold medal in boxing at the 2014 Asian Games held in South Korea in the Flyweight Summit Clash. Her tremendous records enabled her to become the first woman in the year 2018 to win 6 world championships. In 2018, after her 6th world title, Mary was conferred the title of Mithoi Lima, translated as Exceptional Lady, by the government of Manipur. A year after this feat, in October 2019, she was selected as a female representative of boxing's Athlete Ambassadors Group for the 2020 Summer Olympics by the International Olympic Committee in Tokyo. Nothing could deter this magnificent mother from getting back to the rings, thereby proving to the world that no problem in life is insurmountable. Her autobiography, Unbreakable, was published by HarperCollins, accounting for her journey. Also, a Hindi language movie came as her biopic named Mary Kom in the year 2014, which was directed by Omang Kumar. She also featured in the 2016 documentary With This Ring, portraying the experiences of India's boxing team. We, as Indians, have all the reasons to salute the grit and grandeur of our magnificent mother, Mary Kom. Your very own publishing house, Books 33, is shortly coming up with our latest book titled Love You Mom. Book your copy now. Stay tuned to Books 33's initiative of celebrating motherhood this entire month of May. Shortly, we will be coming up with another mom story of grit and grandeur in the face of highs and lows. Books 33, a home of the authors, by the authors, and for the authors.